Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the all-new Syska Bolt Smartwatch. It comes with a bunch of cool and interesting features for the price of Rs 2499. Today in this video, let us go over all the new features of this new Syska Bolt Smartwatch. Let us start this conversation by talking about the design and build quality of this smartwatch. It comes with a circular display and I prefer circular displays over square ones. It feels more natural to me. As for the straps, they come in three colors: blue, black and green. You can buy all three of them and keep changing them for a different look. As for the build quality, the Syska Bolt SW200 is built really well. It does not feel cheap at all, and for the price, the build quality is amazing. Alright, moving on, let's talk about that display. So as I said, this smartwatch comes with a circular full touchscreen display. It is a 1.28 inches panel with good viewing angles and gets bright enough to use outdoors in sunny conditions. The display quality is impressive for the price of this smartwatch. Now in terms of watch faces, there are 5 built-in watch faces and over 100 on the app. So you can download the Syska Fit Bolt app, and in that app you will find a lot of watch faces. Having a good amount of watch faces is very important, and this smartwatch does have that. Now you can also customize the watch face by a picture of your own. So for example, if you have a picture in your gallery which you want to set as a watch face, you can do that from the app. You can easily customize it and works really well. So yes, as far as watch faces go, you are covered over here. Next up are the smart features. These are the main reasons why one would buy a smartwatch after all. The Syska Bolt SW200 comes with a bunch of smart features, and let us talk about them one by one. First up is hand sanitization reminder. Now this is a very interesting and important feature considering that the entire planet is facing a global pandemic. When you turn on this feature, it will periodically remind you to sanitize your hands, which is very important these days. You can set your time intervals like 60 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, and it will keep reminding you. Second is SpO2 monitoring. Again, this is one more feature which will help in the ongoing pandemic. Keeping tabs on your blood oxygen level is very important these days, and I'm glad that this smartwatch comes with the SpO2 sensor. So despite of it being a budget smartwatch, it still comes with the SpO2 sensor, which gets a thumbs up from my side. Next is female health tracking. Now this feature is aimed for the well-being of women. It will help them track and monitor their menstrual cycles and other important things. Again, this is an important feature for women, and it's good to see that it's there in the smartwatch. Next up is water reminder. Now this is one of my favorite features out there. It will periodically remind you to drink your water because staying hydrated is extremely important. Hashtag stay hydrated guys, hashtag stay hydrated. Next is heart rate tracking. This smartwatch also comes with a built-in heart rate sensor which will help you track your heart rate on the go. Next is multi-sports mode. So this smartwatch comes with a bunch of sports mode, which is a very important feature in a smartwatch. So you can track a variety of sports like cricket, badminton, swimming, cycling, hiking, etc. You can track the number of calories you burnt and much more. So if you're a fitness freak out there, then you're gonna love this feature. Next is smart notifications. So the notifications from your smartphone will show up on your smartwatch as well. Now you can control the list of apps that will send you a notification on the smartwatch. For example, if you don't want Facebook, you can just turn it off. Next up are music and camera control. Now these are a very handy feature. So you can control the music playing on your smartphone via this smartwatch. It comes in very handy when you're working out or riding a two-wheeler. You can change the track, play or pause your music, or even change the volume levels. This smartwatch can also act as a remote camera shutter button. So if you're filming yourself or if you want to take a selfie or something like that, you can use this smartwatch as a remote camera shutter button. Next is sleep monitoring. So you can track your sleep with the help of this smartwatch. It will show you all your sleep data inside the app. Apart from all this, it also comes with features like weather reporting, sedentary alerts, etc. All in all, the Syska SW200 is jam-packed with smart features which are very useful. Now you might be wondering, what about battery life and charging? So this smartwatch comes with a 350 mAh battery, and Syska claims that it should last up to 10 days. Now in my testing period, it lasted up to 7 days, which is pretty good for a smartwatch. Now obviously battery life will change according to your use case. For example, if you work out on a daily basis and use the built-in sports mode, then you might get lesser battery life. So it completely depends upon your use case. Now as far as the charging goes, it comes with a magnetic charging cable, which is very handy, and it will take about 2 to 2.5 hours to charge this smartwatch up completely. The Syska Bolt SW200 is also IP68 certified, so you can easily use this smartwatch while working out or swimming or even in the rains. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged. Overall, the Syska SW200 Smartwatch is an amazing offering for the price of Rs 2499. It has a lot of great features for this price. Now this smartwatch will exclusively be available on Flipkart via flash sale, so if you want to buy it, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. Alright, let us talk about that giveaway. So I will be giving away one Syska Bolt Smartwatch to one lucky viewer out there. Here are the steps to enter the giveaway. First up, subscribe to the channel. Second, like this video. And third, drop a comment down below mentioning your favorite feature about this smartwatch. The winner will be chosen at random in a couple of weeks, and the winners will be announced on my Instagram page. So make sure you're following me there to stay updated. So anyway, this was my unboxing and overview of the Syska SW200 Smartwatch. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.